Welcome back to Stock Motion, the stock market educational YouTube channel. All uploaded content is strictly for educational purposes and is only my opinion. I am not a financial advisor and you are responsible for your own trades. Please do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. Trading is risky and you can lose money. Guys, if we have helped you in any way by putting a hot stock on your radar, why not consider supporting the channel via Patreon or by signing up for a free Trading 212 account via my referral link, and we both get a free stock worth up to £100. You can find the links below, and don't forget to hit them like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to bring you the latest hot stocks and content. Without further ado, let's get into it. In today's video we're going to take a look at Grom Social Enterprises Inc., ticker symbol GRMM. Grom Social Enterprises Inc. is a social media, technology, and entertainment company for kids focused on producing original content. In addition to providing a social media platform, the company creates content consisting of animated characters, interactive charts, videos, blogs, and games. Recent trends have led to an explosion in video marketing and mobile advertising on social media. This increased consumption of video content has changed the face of how content is delivered. These days, video seems to be everywhere, but trends such as smartphones, social media, and streaming services have all contributed to changes in how we view content, which in turn has influenced the video production industry. Not only are people watching video on their smartphones, but they are also making it themselves. Social media apps such as Snapchat, Vine, and Facebook's live video option have given amateurs a simple, inexpensive method to create and share video. Brands are also taking advantage of the popularity of social media. An article on Social Media Headquarters addressed the impact on how social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram have had a profound influence on the entertainment industry over the past decade. It said, "Social media has completely changed the dynamic of what it means to be internet famous. It's easy to point to a whole group of internet influencers who are literally famous for being famous. Someone like a Kardashian is then able to parlay that influence and reach into brand partnerships, reality TV deals, and lots of free swag. They can get paid thousands of dollars for simply talking about a new product or promoting a big event." Grom Social Enterprises, Inc., developer of Grom Social, a leading social media platform for kids and original entertainment content provider, today announced that its wholly owned subsidiary, Grom Educational Services Net-Spective Web Filter Solution, servicing thousands of schools since inception, plans an early 2021 release of its enhanced security features. The Enhanced Digital Citizenship License Program, DCL, video course specifically designed to cover timely topics that children K-12, parents, and educators are facing during these challenging times. The DCL is a free course available to all active school accounts and assists in helping to fulfill the Children's Internet Protection Act, CIPA, requirements when schools are seeking to qualify for E-rate funding. The updated proprietary DCL program will also be available free for any new school accounts utilizing Net-Spective's web filter solution appliance as well. Darren Marks, President and CEO of Grom Enterprises, Inc. stated, "We are proud to offer our DCL program free to schools in our ongoing efforts to educate and bring awareness to children on how to use the internet safely. We want to continue to be a bridge between education and protection, especially in this climate of uncertainty when it is needed most." To support the current climate of education, Net-Spective also offers assistance, guidelines, best practices, and additional security resources to Grom's customers with their suite of remote filtering software. This software assists in the process off-campus or remote learning by providing abuse detection, remote log-on agents, browser extensions. Utilizing the Net-Spective web filter abuse detection feature can help administrators better identify potentially harmful online student activity. By flagging the self-harm and suicide category and others, school administrators are alerted when related words are searched. As of 2021 February 4th, Thursday, current price of GRMM stock is $0.0632, and our data indicates that the asset price has been stagnating for the past 1 year, or since its inception. Future price of the stock is predicted at $0, minus 100%, after a year according to our prediction system. Please remember, do your own due diligence before investing any money in the stock market. And please like and subscribe for more content, and it would really help out the channel. Thank you and take care.